How to track Zalando order. Begin by opening the Zalando mobile application on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure that you are connected to the internet. Once the Zalando app is launched, log into your Zalando account using your registered email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to track your orders. After logging in, you'll typically find your profile icon displayed in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to access your account settings. Within your account settings, locate and select the Orders option. This will direct you to a page displaying all the orders you have placed on Zalando. Scroll through the list of orders to find the specific one you want to track. Tap on the order to open its details page. Once you've opened the order details, look for information related to tracking. Zalando typically provides tracking details, including the current status of your order and any available tracking numbers. Continue monitoring the tracking information until your order is delivered to your specified address. Once your order arrives, you'll receive a notification from Zalando confirming its delivery. That's how you can track Zalando order.